Hi everybody, it's Coach D here with your daily dose of PE. Today we are going to focus on basketball skills. Specifically, we are going to be looking at the following PE standards and objectives. As well as the following essential questions that I hope you will be able to answer by the end of our lesson. So today we are going to be learning how to dribble a basketball. There are four main parts or components of how to dribble a basketball. The first part is we use our finger pads. So our finger pads at the tops of our fingers. And we use those finger pads to push the basketball down. The next part is we want to keep our dribbles waist level. So when we're dribbling, we don't want it to be dribbling above our heads or too low on the ground, but right at our waist. So finger pads, waist level. The next part is one of the hardest ones to practice, is we want to try to keep our eyes up, our head up, and try not to look at the basketball. So when we're dribbling, our head is up, our eyes are looking forward. And the last part, the part with the trickiest words in it, it's called wrist flexion and elbow extension, which is just a fancy way of saying our wrists are going to bend and our elbows are going to extend. So when we are pushing the basketball down, our wrists are flexing and our elbow is extending. We don't want to dribble where our arms are super stiff. So can you see the difference between wrist flexion and elbow extension? So those are the four main parts that will make us a master dribbler. Finger pads, eyes up, waist level, and wrist flexion, elbow extension. When you're ready, get your basketball or a kickball or any kind of ball that bounces and go get in a big safe space and be ready to practice. So when you're ready, dribble with your right hand 20 times, making sure to keep it waist level using your finger pads, eyes up, wrist flexion, elbow extension. After you do your 20, switch hands and do 20 more with your left hand. It's always important to practice dribbling with both our right and our left hands. So those are the four main parts of a basketball dribble. Stay tuned for more virtual lessons, including a basketball workout. Until next time, this is Coach D signing out. Bye.